Hi guys, welcome back to creo parametric. Last class saw line, rectangle, circle, arc, ellipse and spline. Today we see fillet, chamfer, text, offset, thickness, palette. Okay, first fillet. In fillet we have four types of fillets: circular, circular trim, elliptical and elliptical trim. First fillet. Fillet is nothing but one second. Fillet is nothing but trimming the corner edges. Okay, trimming the corner edges. First fillet, circular fillet. First select the first line and use control to select the first line and second line. Okay, here you can see the circular edge which is known as circular. Then circular trim. Circular trim is nothing but select one, pressing using control button, press one line and another line. Okay, here you see here you can't see the trimmed line. Okay, but in previous sketch you see a trimmed line. Here you see. Okay, this is a difference between circular and circular trim. In circular, the cutted portion also will be shown. In circular trim, the cutted position may not be shown. Okay, same elliptical and elliptical trim and elliptical trim. Okay, selecting the elliptical and pressing control button and control. Okay, the shape is elliptical. Okay, here you can see that's elliptical surface. Same thing for the elliptical trim. Now fillet is nothing but a rounded edge, a round edge, but chamfer is a cutting edge. One second, I will show you using a rectangle. Okay, using a rectangle, zooming in, selecting the chamfer. Same thing you used in fillet. Press control and another line. Here you can see the edge, cutted edge. In fillet you can see a round edge, here a cutted edge. Same here also. Chamfer means the cutted portion also shown. Here you can see the cutted portion, and here in chamfer trim the cutted portion will be trimmed. That's the meaning. Here I am selecting the chamfer trim, pressing the control button, selecting the two lines. Okay, here you can't see the cutted portion. Okay, this is a chamfer. Then text is not normally used text. Here if you first click a start button, starting in, and second one is the size to which the text size, it is a text size. Sorry, here you can try creo 2.0, sorry 2.0. Here you can see the size. We mentioned starting point and end point. Size can be size can't be controlled. It's initial size, initializing the site in the first stage. But here you can see that in creo 2.0 is reciprocal. Okay, upside and down. For this, to overcome this, okay, I will show. Click on the text. You should initialize the start button and end button in the upside. So text format should be in upside. If you click on down, the text format will be downside, which is normally reciprocal. So click on up. Now you can type creo 2.0. Now you can see that creo 2.0. Okay, this is a difference, major difference between selecting endpoint upside or downside. Click on OK. Your text is clear. Then you can drag and place your text anywhere by clicking here. Endpoint. You can clicking here. You can drag or resize it by scrolling, by moving upside and down. Okay. This is text. Then offset. Offset is nothing but replicating your image. For example, a line is there. Okay, a line is there. If I want a line same as here, the option you have is offset. Click on the line. The direction which is shown, which shows here, is on which side the line should be offsetted. Offsetted means moving the line, taking the parent and making a child. That's it. If I am giving for 25 mm, okay, you can see a line is replicated 25 mm distance, so it is much bigger. So I can offset line and 10. The direction is shown. This is the direction which shows the line is offsetting on that direction. If you place OK in 10. If the distance is small, it will be more clear, I think so. Here you see 5. So that's it. The 5 for distance 5, the line is offsetted. So this is the offset command. Thickness we generally use in 3D modeling for adding thickness to an object. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Close. While teaching 3D modeling, I will tell you about the thicken. Okay. Now palette. Palette is nothing but sure you can see 89. Oh, palette is nothing but already the designs are included in the software, default templates. Okay, you can pick and drag any. Sorry, only one will be inserted. So okay. Sorry. This is what the palette, which is already defaultly imported in the software. So pick and drag and rotate your object like this, and okay, defaultly the object will be added. This is nothing but the palette. You can add any types of 6 hexagons, 4-sided square, and drag for your size and click OK. Okay, that's it. This is what the sketch view. And then center line is not used mostly in a 2D modeling. It is used in a 3D modeling for rotating, and the point is nothing but simply placing a point for your reference. Okay, and coordinate system is nothing but placing the coordinate axis xy and xy for your wish. Okay, then that's it. Corner editing. Okay, that's all about today's sketching. Tomorrow we can see the editing part. Thank you.